Top 4 Luxurious Indian Villas by Studia 54. Bringing your vision to life. 10,000 square meters. Oriental philosophy in every touch. 5 basic elements: fire, water, wood, metal, and earth. Magnificent mansion in Panchgani. A unique project with an area of 1,750 square meters. Harmony of architecture and nature. Every element has been carefully designed down to the last detail. Relaxation zones. Opulent pools with azure water. Generous living spaces for hosting distinguished guests and family gatherings. Your time spent in the dream house will become a treasured experience. The entrance area of the house impresses with its grandeur and attention to detail. A massive wooden door with intricate carvings reflects the cultural roots of the region, with the design reminiscent of traditional Indian wood carving. Architectural project of a luxurious 3,000 square meter house for societal events. The grandeur of the residence is awe-inspiring. An elegant living room with 8-meter ceilings and panoramic windows. The project's core idea was to merge oriental forms with the simplicity of contemporary architecture. The design of the house, seamlessly integrated into the natural surroundings, retains its functional qualities. The mansion's grounds feature a helipad, a spa area, an infinity pool, and an underground parking lot. The client specifically requested an entrance area with a ceiling installation resembling a starry sky, inspired by Rolls-Royce technology. The Panchgani 900 square meter residence project showcases a rugged style and the expression of traditional Indian values. The project is grounded in the principles of Vastu-shastra, which involve the proper arrangement of the building, rooms, and interior elements. The residence's focal point is a fountain symbolizing the union of fire and water.
One night I'll be there. Through my life I'll try.
Elegant spiral staircase, a visionary approach to combining design, philosophy, and the distinctive qualities of the local landscape. Studia 54. Architecture. Design. Furniture.